Hey friends, who's hungry? Easy shrimp and grits are a southern comfort food that's sure to become a family favorite. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Melt 1 cup of butter in an 8x8 casserole dish, then add oil, Worcestershire sauce, salt, crushed garlic, and Cajun seasoning. Don't forget to add the shrimp. Stir the shrimp until it's coated with the butter. Return the dish to the oven and bake about 10 minutes until the shrimp turn pink. In the meantime, bring 2 cups of chicken broth to a boil over medium-high heat. Add 1 cup of corn grits and 1 cup of heavy cream or whole milk. Return to a boil, then cover the pan and reduce the heat to low. Simmer for about 12 minutes. Remove the grits from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir until the butter is melted, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle the grits into a bowl, then spoon the shrimp and butter sauce over the top. Subscribe for more recipes.